Alright, so we got this little Troy Bell pony here that we've been working on. Put a 21 horsepower motor in there off of a Craftsman. And you got this lever over here. Speed control, do it one speed. Can't figure it out, it does that. Moves easily. Does absolutely nothing down here. And you see that lever. But this lever right here does nothing. Well, if you look down at the bottom, you can see underneath there's like a bar. You'll change that gear up and down. You'll wonder why this ain't doing nothing. It's short here, nothing on it. Short down at the bottom, nothing on it. You just get that little movement, and as you move it up and down, it doesn't look like it does nothing. I'll tell you right here, my dumbass move. Must have grabbed it and pulled it. Push it the other way. Push it back down. And there's your fix.